Okay, we have the direct variation and we have the formula. Kapag direct variation, meron tayong formula na y is direct varies to x. Okay, directly varies to x. Okay, or y varies directly as x. Okay, so y varies directly to x. So meron tayong y is equal to kay x. So yung k, that is the constant. Yung x natin, this is the pressure. Then yung y natin is yung volume. Okay? Bago yung k, that is a constant. Ibig sabihin yung k natin, yun yung constant natin. Okay? So, paano natin malalaman kung ano yung constant natin? Kasi meron tayo ditong value ng x and y. For example, we have the pressure. We have the pressure here 1, 2, 3, and 4, diba? And we have the volume of 42, 21, 14, and 10.1. Okay, malalaman ba natin na this is a direct variation or not? Gaya nga sabi ko kanina, kapag direct variation, pag tumaas yung isa parehas lang. Okay? So, nakikita natin 42, 21, 14, and 10.5. Pabawas siya, diba? So, okay lang kasi yung isa ng pataas. So, it means na varies siya na ito namang volume natin pababa ng pababa. Okay lang siya. Ano pa rin siya? Sabihin na natin na nadadagdagan pa rin siya and maybe na constant niya is negative. Then ang pressure natin is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So para malaman natin yung ating constant, so meron tayong formula na y is equal to kx. Okay? So alamin natin muna ang constant nitong una natin. Okay? So meron tayong y is equals to kx. So titingnan natin kung ito ba ay direct variation. So ang y natin is 42. Okay? Is equals, ang k natin, wala tayong k. Kasi yung k is equals to constant. Okay? So, alamin natin, kapag direct variation, they have the common constant. Isa lang yung constant nila, okay? Kapag direct variation. Kaya nga constant eh, diba? Hindi nagbabago. So, constant. Then, the value of x natin, so, let assume that pressure is the x and y is the volume. Okay? Then, the x natin is the number 1. So, meron tayong y is equal to kx, which is the formula of direct variation. Then, y is equal to 42. Okay, so dito, magkakaroon tayo ng 42 is equals to k. Diba? 42 is equals to k. So, punta naman tayo. Parang balik na data ako. So, tingnan natin. Dito naman sa kabila, we have y is equals to kx. So, ang y natin, that is 21. Then, ang k natin, wala. Then, ang x natin is 2. Bakit ganun? Palit tayo, no? So, meditation natin, basahin nga natin yung book. Much problem. Determine whether the given illustration direct variation or not, then give the reason. So, naalamin pala natin kung variation ba to or not variation, okay? Then, we have here, cancel natin. So, we have K. Then, meron tayong 10.5 dito. Okay? So, nakita natin, dito pa lang sa una, pati pangalawa natin fraction, hindi na siya parehas ng constant. Ngayon, pag nagkaiba sila ng constant, hindi na sila direct variation. Okay? Mamaya makikita natin, paano natin malalaman kung direct variation? Dito kasi sa match problem natin na ito, hindi siya direct variation. So, malalaman lang natin kung direct variation siya pag same sila ng constant. Kapag kinompute din natin itong pangatlo natin, na y is equal to kx, then ang y natin is 14, then ang magkakaroon tayo ng 3k dito. Kasi ang x natin is 3, divide natin both side by 3. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 3.3 something dito. 4.3 pala. Tama ba? 4.1333 something. So, lagyan natin ganyan. or 33 na lang. Say natin, ang constant natin is 4.33 something. So, hindi siya direct variation, di ba? So, hindi natin malalaman, hindi siya direct variation. Ngayon, malalaman naman natin kung direct variation siya if ganito yung example. Basta pag ang constant is hindi siya naging, basta ang constant is pagkakaiba, so hindi siya direct variation. Itong isang ito namang isang ito na papakita ko, this will be direct variation. So we have here 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. So pressure pati ano na lang ulit gamitin natin. Pressure pati volume. Then we have 6.28. Then 9.42. 9.42. Then 12.56. Then 15.7. So, meron tayong 2.68, 2 and 6.28, 3 and 9.42, 4 and 12.56, at 5 and 15.7. Hanapin natin ito. Tingnan natin, meron tayong formula na y is equal to kx or y varies directly to x. So, tingnan natin sa unahan, meron tayong y is equal to kx. Compute natin to. Siguro gagamit tayong calculator dito. So, y natin is 6.28. Labas natin yung calculator natin para mas mabilis tayo mag-compute. Is equals to k times 2. So, divide natin sila parehas. Divide natin sila both side by 2. Then, 6.28 divide by 2. What would be 6.28? 3.14. Tama? Then, equals to k. So, ang constant ang una nating given is 3.14. Tingnan natin kung 3.14 din, 3.14 din ang constant nitong pangalawa natin. Okay? So, meron tayong y is equal to kx. Then, ang y natin is 9.42. Then, equals to k. Then, times, ang x natin is 3. So, divide natin both side by 3. So, cancel si 3, cancel si 3. Magkakaroon tayo ng k. Then, 9.42 divided by 3. 9 divide 3, 3. Then, 42 divide 3, that is 14. So, 9.14 din. Okay? So, pareha silang 9.14, 9.14. So, another way para malaman natin if they are direct variation is yung cross multiplication. For example, meron tayong 4 over 12.56. Ito naman pangatlo, pang-apat. I-cross multiplication naman natin siya. Kapag equal lang sila sa cross multiplication, it means this is direct variation. Okay? Kapag pinag-cross multiply natin siya, magda-direct variation din sila if they are equal. Then 5 over 15.7. So, cross multiply natin to for 4 times 15.7. 4 times 15.7?
62.8.
62.8.
62.8. Then 12.56 times 5.
62.8 din po, sir.
62.8. So, they are equal, diba? So, it's either gumamit tayo ng direct variation formula or di kaya pag cross-multiply natin silang dalawa, yung dalawang term. So, kapag nag-equal sila, so they are direct variation. So, this one also direct variation. Ngayon, to the use of direct variation, pwede natin makuha yung future nilang terms. For example, kapag tinuloy-tuloy natin yan, ano kaya magiging volume nito? What will be the volume if ang pressure is naging 12 na. Diba? So, for the use, gamitin natin yung ating formula na Y is equal. So, kasi hanapin natin what will be the volume if the pressure is 12 now. Y is equal to K times X, or Y is varies directly to X. So, ang Y natin, that is the missing. So, Y is equals to, ang K natin, diba, nakita natin na ang K natin is the constant, which is 3.14, diba? So, ito, nakita nga natin na they are directly variation pag nag-equal, pero hindi natin malalaman kung ano yung kanyang value ng K, diba? Hindi natin alam kung ano yung value ng K niya. Kaya kailangan pa rin natin gamitin yung formula na Y is equal to Kx. So, nakita natin, itong first nating term, 3.14 ang K natin, value ng K. Sa pangalawa, 3.14 din. Then sa pangatlo pang-apat, magiging 3.14 din yan. So, ang value ng K natin, gagawin natin 3.14. Okay? Then, i-multiply natin siya sa value ng X natin, which is our pressure, diba? Ang X natin, that is the value of X natin, that is 12. So, ipag-multiply ngayon natin, 12 times 3.14, that will be the term or the volume for if our pressure is, kung ang pressure natin ay 12 naman. So, 12 times 3.14.
37.68.
37, tama ba? 37.68. So, this will be our volume kapag ang pressure naman is naging 12. Okay? Nakukuha ba natin? So in the page 114, there are 3 questions here. Then, we must find the value of K and the equation. Okay, sa number 1, nakalagay dito na Y is equals to 16 and X is equals to 2. Diba? Okay. Our question here, what is the constant? What is the, sabi dito, constant of variation and the equation of variation. Constant of variation, which is the value of K and the given of equation. Okay? The equation of the variation pala. Equation of the variation. Okay? Hanapin muna natin yung constant of variation. So, to the use of Y is equal to Kx, Y is equal to Kx, gamitin natin yung given natin. Y is equal to 16 and K, so ito yung hanapin natin, then we have multiply it by 2, which is X natin, siya yung 2. Divide natin both side by 2 para ma-isolate si K, cancel si 2. So, we have the constant of variation, the number 8. 16 over 2 is 8. So, meron na tayong constant of variation, which is K is equals to 2. Okay, pag tinanong what is the constant of variation, yun lang yung value ni K. We have K is equal to 2. Ngayon, pag tinanong equation of the variation, pag tinanong naman what is the equation of the variation, yan, equation of the variation, ito pa rin naman yung gagamitin natin. Y is equal, so hindi na kayang isusulat natin, which is yung value na ni K. Y is equal to 8x na. Okay? So this will be the equation of the variation. Okay? Y is equal to 8x na. And that will be the equation of the variation. So meron na tayong constant of the variation, which is equals to K. And the equation of the variation is Y is equals to 8x. Okay? So, yun yung constant of the variation and the equation of the variation. Okay? Naunawaan? Hey guys, may kausap pa ba ako?
Naunawaan po.
Sir,
Opo,
yes po.
nawawaan po.
Sunod-sunod eh. So, bilisan nyo na yung screenshot ha. Hindi ko na sasabihin kayo na mag-screenshot. Kayo na mag-ano. Sunod na constant of the variation, pati Ganyan ulit. So, we have here the given. Ano yung given natin? We have the y. Ang y natin, then we have also x. So, guhitan natin. So, dito naman, pag-graph, no? Pag-graph. So, we have 1.6 dito. And we have 4. We have 25. And we have 10. We have 3.75. Ay, 37.5, sorry. We have 15. We have 50 and 20. Okay. Verify muna natin if they are tawag dito, direct variation. So, alamin muna natin, kukumputin pa natin isa-isa yan, y is equal to kx. So, dito muna tayo sa una, kung parehas pa sila lahat ng ating constant of the variation. Y natin, so this is the x and this is the y. Sorry, mukha pa lang magkatulad sila. Ito naman yung y natin. Minsan natin ito. So, we have the 4 is equals to k. Then, ang x natin is 1.6. So, divide nyo na. 4 divided by 1.6. What will be the answer? Ano to? 0.4? Diba? 0.4. Tama ba ako? 0.4? Ay, hindi. Sorry.
Sure, 2.5 po yung lumabas sa akin.
Oo, 2.5 na. Baliktad ako. Ginawa kong denominator. Ay, ginawa kong divisor yung 4. So, mali ako. 2.5, tama ba? So, we have 2.5 dito. Nagkabaliktad ako, ginawa kong divisor yung 4. Kaya 0.4 ang nasa dito. We have 2.5 here. Then, 25 over dito naman. We have 10 is equals to k over 25. Ay, k times 25. So, over natin sila sa 25. Over ulit sa 25. So, cancel is equals to k. So, 10 over 25, 2.5 ang kalalabasan niya. Okay? Then we have 37.5. So, ngayon din naman yan. Just ano pa ba natin? Kasi ito 50 over, mangyayari dito 20 over 50. Tama, 20 over 50. So, this is, tama ba ako? Y, 20 over 50. So, 20 over 50, anong kalalabasan nito?
Sure, 0.4.
Iba siya, no? Hindi siya same. Tulad doon. Baka naman mali naman ako ng pero we have y is equal to kx. Then, ang y natin is 20 equals to k times 50. So, divide natin both sides by 50. So, 20 over 50 na. So, this one is 0.4. 0.43, 0.4. So, hindi siya parehas ng constant dito, diba? So, dito sa graph na to, wala tayong may sasagot ng constant of variation. And also, wala din tayong may sasagot na equation of variation. Bakit wala? Kasi sir, ang given naman pong statement is not a direct variation. Okay? Malalaman lang natin kapag direct variation, kailangan lahat yan constant. We have the constant, di ba? May constant. Eh, pagdating sa dulo, nakita natin na wala silang hindi constant, hindi 2.5 ang constant ng 50 ng 50 pati 20, di ba? So, dahil doon, mangyayari, hindi siya direct variation. Okay? Dahil hindi siya direct variation, wala tayong constant of variation and also equation of variation. So, sa number 2, isasagot lang natin, not a direct variation. Okay? Naunawaan? So, kapag may gantong graph, dapat pala, iniisa-isa, no? Para malaman kung constant variation ba, ay kung direct variation ba, silang lahat. Kasi pagdating sa dulo, nakita natin, hindi siya direct variation. Kasi naiba yung kanyang constant. Okay, another example naman is y is equal to 10. Then, ang x natin is equal to 2/3. So, hanapin natin ang constant of variation, which is what is the value of k. Then, constant of equation ay equation of variation naman. Isa constant of variation, yung isa ng equation of variation. So, lagay natin y is equal to kx. Then, ang y natin is 10 equals, ang k natin wala. So, yun yung hanapin natin. And we have 2/3. Yan. Ganda na nito. Over na to. Over na ulit. Okay? So, kailangan natin matanggal ang kasama ni k. So, divide natin both sides by 2/3. Then, 2/3. Cancel si 2/3. Cancel si 2/3. Magkakaroon tayo ng k is equals to 10/2/3. Okay? So, para malaman, itong 2/3, i-reciprocal natin at i-multiply natin kay 10 para ma-solve natin. So, ilagay nyo si 10, then multiply times, then reciprocal ni 2/3. What is the reciprocal of 2/3? Reciprocal ni 2/3. Ano ba pag sinabi natin reciprocal?
3/2 po.
Okay, 3/2. Okay? Then k is equals, so 10 times 3, 30. Divided by 2, 15. Okay, ganun lang. 10 times 3, 30. Divided by 2, 15. Okay? Ita-times nyo sa taas, i-divide nyo sa baba. Okay, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 15. So, we have the constant of variation. Constant of variation. 15 siya. 15. Then, ano naman ang ating equation of variation? Ang equation natin ay y is equals to 15. Okay, so yan naman yung equation of the variation natin. Baka maging negative 15 to okay, constant of variation 15, then equation of the variation naman is y is equals to 15x. Naunawaan kung paano sinusulat si constant of variation pati equation of variation? Solve. If we have x is equals to 5, then y is equals to 2. So, magtatanong tayo dyan, find x. Find the value of y when x is equals to 15. 15 yan. Okay? Meron na tayong x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 2. Find the value of y when x is equals to 15. So, parehas lang yan. So, unahin muna natin para ma-solve natin tong y, kapag naging 15 na si x, dito muna tayo sa una natin, x and y. So, gamitin natin yung formula, y is equals to kx. Then, ang una nating y, that is 2. Then, meron tayong value of x na, so, sulat natin si k, value niya is 5. Okay? Then, divide natin both sides, kay 5. So, we have the k is equals to 2/5. Okay? Pwede nyong gawin decimal kung gusto nyong 2/5. Ang 2/5 na decimal is 0.4. Tama ba ako? Or kung gusto nyo naman, pwede nyong k is equal to 0.4 or di kaya k is equals to 2.5. Kung saan kayo liligaya, okay lang yon. Yan. Kasi at the end naman, dito tayo, gagamitin natin. So, maalin sa dalawang yan ang value ng k natin kung anong gusto nyo. So, mas maganda siguro kung gawin na natin decimal no. Or maalin na dyan. Para saan din ang magiging sagot yan. Ngayon, nagbago daw. Find the value of y when x is equals to 15. So, gagamitin na natin yung value ng k nila. Okay? 2.5. So, y, yung y yung hinahanap natin, diba? Y is equals to 2.5. Ay, 2.5. 2/5 times 15. Okay? Then, solve natin. 15 times 2, that is 30. Divided by 5, that is 6. Okay? So, ang y natin ngayon, kapag naging, so, find the value of y when x is equal to 15. So, ang y natin is equal to 6. Okay? So, paano pag 0.4 ang ginamit? 6 pa rin ba? So, try natin. Y is equal to 0.4 multiply. So, gawin natin parenthesis. Baka mali ko sa multiply. Multiply by 15. Kasi 15 na din yung bagong value ng x natin, diba? So, 0.4 times 15. So, what's the calculator? 60. May isang decimal, 6 ang sagot. Okay. Tama, 6 ang sagot. Kasi 4 times 15, 60. Dahil may decimal, move ng isang decimal. So, 6 ang sagot. So, parehas lang, diba? Okay? So, ang sagot sa number 1 is y is equal to 6. Naunawaan?
Sir, uho.
Wow. So, may isa din technique, another technique. So, take a copy. Yan. So, pinakamadaling technique sa lahat. So, madaling technique na din naman to kasi magdadalawang sagot pa tayo, diba? If they are direct variation, pwede niyong gamitin x over y, then x over y. X over y, x1 over y1 is equal to x sub 2 over y sub 2. Okay? Ang x sub 1 natin and y sub 1, yung pinakauna natin. So, we have 5 over 2, diba? 5 over 2 is equals to xy naman natin, 15, then over y. Kasi y yung pangalawa, wala, diba? Cross multiplication. 5 times y, magiging 5y, equals 2 times 15, magiging 30. Then divide both sides by 5. So, cancel si 5. 30 over 5. So, magkakaroon tayo ng y is equal to 6. Okay? Hindi na natin kinuha ang value ni k. Then, isang formula na lang yung ginawa natin. Kapag ganitong scenario, titignan naman natin kung paano scenario ito. So, cross multiplication lang ang gagawin. x over y, then equals to x over y. Okay? So, it's up to you kung anong formula ang gagamitin nyo, kung anong gusto nyo gamitin, dahil pagdating naman sa exam, isa lang ang tamang sagot din. Okay? Isa lang din naman tamang sagot, so it's up to you na kung anong gagamitin.